Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and good morning. I will be making a bread. This bread, no yeast, just herbs bread. So I have that 4 cups of flour, and I put also a powder milk, and I put a little sugar because I want my bread a little bit like have sweet on it. And this is Italian seasoning, and that's fennel, and this is thyme, of course, salt, baking powder, and butter. And also I have water right there. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now let's put all this together. The salt, baking powder, and the milk, all the spice, and the sugar, and just mix them before we put the butter and the water. And while you're doing this, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I think that's already combined. I make this one because we don't have bread, we cannot get out. They still have a thick snow outside. So I'm making my own bread because I'm going to make pasta later. I like pasta with bread, slice of bread, and put butter on it. Okay. Alright, we're gonna put the butter there. Put the water at the time. I'm gonna put the dough here. And we're gonna knead it. We knead it like this, like until lightly elastic. Oh, why am I wearing this jacket? So this bread you don't need to raise up. After you knead it, you just form it and bake it. Next time I'm going to try soda bread. So this is fine now. We just have to form it. See, it's start getting sticky now. You can form this one like a round like that. This is ready to go. This is ready to bake. Or you can form it like a loaf. Sliced bread. Might want to form it like a sliced bread or loaf like that because it's easy to cut. So I have this pan that I put foil on it. You form your bread there. A little bit wider, I mean longer. This is how you make, 4 cups only, it's only one bread. There you go. Okay, let's bake it. Alright everyone, here is my herbs bread. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video. Alright, share my videos to your friends and your family. Okie dokie. See ya.